Other new arrivals, the 1968 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, torch red over saddle. Saddle being exactly what it sounds like. It's a light tan, if you will, interior. And saddle, I don't know where that came from. Probably from the horse world, I'm guessing.
Good.
Yeah, well, I'm a thinker when it comes to stuff like that. This one's got the correct 427 cubic inch V8, numbers matching Muncie M21 transmission. It's got the hardtop, and it's, of course, the first year for the C3s, which were, unloved for many years, but boy, they're not anymore.
They're not, and we have some fabulous C3s here at Classic Auto Mall.